Aloha, welcome back to our channel, Homeschool in Paradise.
Homeschool in Paradise! Homeschool in Paradise!
So I'm Magali, and then we have Elijah. He is, how old? How old are you?
5.
And Camila? How old are you?
4.
4. Good. So we are starting with a special Christmas. It is a Vlogmas kickoff collab. So this collab, it is hosted by Clarissa at Sunny in the Suburb, and then Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning. So I'm gonna put their channel below in the description box. And then also make sure to check out the playlist from so many other YouTube creators that are doing this Vlogmas kickoff collab. So I'm gonna try to post a lot of video. It probably won't be every day for Christmas, but I'm gonna try my best. This collab is only for the first day, and then after that we do whatever we want. And then for us it's homeschooling. So we live on the beautiful island of Kauai in Hawaii. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you, we got the Christmas Around the World from, it is from Gather, here let me, so it is from Gather Round. It's the first time that I ever used their unit. I was happy to get the Christmas Around the World. So this is the teacher's guide, and then it comes with the pre-reader. I bought the bundle for all of the year, so I have the pre-reader, and then after that early reader. I also got the recipe book that you need to buy separately, but I was really happy. We love to cook together, so we're gonna be cooking the recipes around the world together, so that will be nice. I don't think we're gonna do all of it, but whatever. There's a lot of information in it. It's a little bit overwhelming, but I know that it's a lot to do when there's only little time and a lot of other activity. So I'm gonna take you around on how we are doing it. The first lesson is Iceland. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. It's gonna be about Iceland. So this beautiful country, we're gonna be learning about it and then doing the recipe together. So I'm gonna take you along, and then I would love to hear in the comment if you are doing anything for Christmas, and if you're doing any like homeschool study, or if your kids are in public school, what you're doing for Christmas holiday or things like that. So I would love to hear from you, and then comment below. And so let's get started with our unit study. Elijah and Camila, pre-reader, Christmas Around the World. Write your name here. Instruction: as you listen to the lesson, complete the activity. Right. Color Iceland and the flag. Iceland, see. Color Iceland. Iceland. Okay, let's go find what country, where it is on the map. Iceland. Iceland. Where are we? In Hawaii. Iceland is... Iceland? Jan? Iceland is here. Where's the flag? Okay, I found the flag. Yay! Bravo, Elijah! Yay. In Iceland, children leave their best shoes on their windowsill the night before Christmas Eve, hoping for candy or small prizes if they have behaved over the holidays. You can probably imagine how exciting it would be to peek in that shoe the next morning, or maybe you're worrying about how that candy would taste afterwards. Your challenge today is to remember what you learned about Iceland's tradition by putting your own flair on it and trying it yourself. So we're gonna pick one shoe and then put it on the windowsill in our bedroom. That we're gonna be nice. If we're nice, we're gonna get a candy or a gift. And then if we're not nice, you're gonna get a potato. On the windowsill. And we'll see tomorrow morning. What do you think? Are you gonna be getting candy, Camila, or potato?
Candy.
What do you need to do to get a candy?
Toes.
You need to be nice with each other. You need to do all your chores. You need to do school. We're gonna do this one, the Christmas book flood in Iceland. Gonna write your name. And then pick a name, get a book, a used book from home, and wrap it. Camila. Elijah. Gabby. Carlos. You cannot pick your name. If you pick your name, you need to put it back in there. Okay, Camila, you go first. Gonna pick a name. Okay, faut pas le montrer. Don't show it. Hide it. Okay? And then Elijah, you pick a name. Don't show it. Shh. Okay, and then I'm gonna pick a name. Okay, and then the other one is for Papa. And then we're gonna go get a book, and then we'll get some paper and then wrap it for Christmas. Okay, so we finished the book club for everyone, Camila, Papa, Elijah, and then myself. So that's really a nice activity to do with the kids. We just got some books from here that we already had and then wrapped them. The one thing that we didn't do, it was the recipe. So the recipe is those, let me see what it's called. So the leaf bread, to do it like this, and then to do a little, cut it and then cook it. So it says that it's gonna be about like 1 to 2 hours to do, and then about 1 hour to cook. I have no more time. We did some school. I had an appointment, and then I'm gonna go work out, and then I work. So we're gonna do it another time, but this was our first unit study for the Christmas Around the World with Gather Round. So this is a really nice one. And then this video is part of a collaboration for the Vlogmas kickoff. And I'm gonna do some things for Christmas, the whole month for a vlog. And then I hope that you like this video. And then remember that this was hosted by Clarissa from Sunny in the Suburb, and then Annalisa with Creative Curious Learning. So I hope that you liked my video, and then make sure to check out their channel, and then the playlist is gonna be in the description box below. And then I'll see you next time for our Vlogmas. Mahalo.